Right, we'll try and attempt to make this one. I again, I don't measure anything. I suppose you can do if you want to. I just roughly cut, just eyeball it, just cut some squares up, and I can't tell you how many petals or anything you'll need because I don't count them. But this sort of type of flower, not baby wipe, I'm not talking baby wipes, I first saw what's the name, Trisha at A Little Shabby Chic. I mean, she does some absolutely beautiful work, and she did this sort of idea with, you know, creamy shabby chic fabrics. So I think she just, if I remember rightly, she just popped a bit of glue in the centre. But please be very, very careful. I mean, I've got some finger protectors, but I can't get on with them. But this glue gun isn't too bad. I wouldn't dare use my big glue gun because that would really burn my fingers off. And you just scrunch little bits up like that. I'll leave the link to Trisha's channel. You can go and have a look. I mean, she makes some amazing things. I've not watched any of her videos for a while. She was one of the ladies when I first came on to YouTube. Excuse me. Yeah, when I first came on, she was one of the first ladies that I saw. And she's a really gentle, soft-spoken lady. She's got a lot of subscribers, but she always finds time to answer your messages. Yeah, so you just make loads of little petals up like that. There's a couple there that I've excuse me, already made. And I just, mine's not even central, look. You just stick them on there. I think Trisha, she, if you watch Trisha's video, I think she does tell you how many petals she uses and that, and you know, but she's a very very nice, neat, beautiful crafter, you know, whereas I'm just no, I don't mean that. I'm not dogging myself down when I say that, but I'm you know, hit and miss, and I like being like that. That's just me, isn't it? We are what we are. Oh, I hate it when people say that. We are what we are. But we are, aren't we? Yeah. There's just such a lot of talent. I mean, oh my God, just such a lot of talent on YouTube. There really is, in all sorts of, well, in every area you can think of, artists and, you know, mixed media, fabrics, and it's just wonderful. I've often said to Mr. Doodle I could live without the television, but I couldn't live without, you know, my laptop and YouTube. And we moan about YouTube, don't we, when it's, I mean, goes tits up and that, but it's a free service and we moan about it. As you can see, I'm not doing anything special. I'm just slapping them down. Ouch. My glue gun's behaving. Mustn't speak too soon, must I? Excuse me. Just keep popping them in till you get it how you want it. These flowers, I think I've seen Trisha do these. Yeah, she has, with like well, a cotton fabric of some sort, and then she ruffles it all up, and it's absolutely beautiful. And if I remember rightly, she folds her, gets the long strip and she folds it over, and she puts a little, oops, sorry, gets a long strip, folds it over and puts a little bit of glue down there, just so it's, you know, so it keeps straight. When I did my other ones, I kept letting go and I didn't get even excuse me, even petals. But yeah, she stuck it across there, if I remember rightly, and then cut it all, and they're absolutely beautiful, and then just roughed it all up so they were all frayed, and they were gorgeous. Well, all of her work is just gorgeous. Excuse me. And I think Trisha does like 2 layers, and she has the most beautiful big flower centres to go, you know, go in her projects. But I'm going to leave that, just going to pop a little bit of glue there. I'm going to leave that like that. Oopsie. Glue strands. I quite like that. Yeah, quite like that. I wonder if I can, just a minute, where have I put them? Oh goodness, don't know where I've put them. I was going to look for one of those. Are they in there? Oh, where they gone? Where they gone? Sorry. Oh, that's nice. One of those that is made from the paper towel that I did the other day. Excuse me, let's have a look. Is there a purpley one? Yeah, that one's got the flower soft on. Thank you to everybody that gave me the information on the flower soft when I was, you can see it, the purple and the bits of pink is that flower soft stuff. Yeah, thank you ladies for the information that you gave me on that. Yeah, I should just leave that like that. But you can, you could add other bits of fabric, and oh, I love making all sorts of flowers. I've made loads the time that I've been on YouTube. Can't remember why I started looking on you know, what I was, whether I just got back into craft. I really can't remember. But I know that Trisha and her flowers were one of the first videos that I saw. Yeah, I like that. It's pretty and just out of baby wipes. So I shall leave that for this one, and come back and do the paper one. So I do hope you have a go, because it is a shame. I mean, look, here's all my big tub of, and that's only some of them. But they stink. Oh dear. Right, thanks for watching. If you've got any other questions or I've missed anything, just let me know. And yeah, I'll leave the link to Trisha's video. So thanks for watching. Bye.